Hi, my name's Alicia Young, and this is my personal introduction video for school law, EDL 850. I'll start off by telling you a little bit about myself. Again, my name is Alicia Young. I live in Wichita, Kansas. I'm a mother of two college-age students. I work in Wichita Public Schools. I've been here for 25 years. My current role is I am a school improvement plan coach. So I work at the district level, and I have the opportunity to support both elementary, middle, and high school principals and leadership teams around the area of school improvement. I also serve as a member on the Kansas Professional Standards Board, which is a unique opportunity where I also see how policies and procedures play out for those folks that are looking to be accredited in the field of education in the state of Kansas. I've also been an elementary teacher, a middle school teacher, a building level instructional coach, and a district level lead instructional coach, as well as an MTSS specialist. So currently, my administrators, those folks that I report directly to, would be the assistant superintendent of elementary and the assistant superintendent of secondary. So when I think about their knowledge of federal and state law as well as board policies, I know that they have a very deep and wide understanding of these laws and board policies. I've been in conversations with them as we talk about school improvement, and as I'm out working with the principals and supporting their vision. We have conversations around things like special education, as well as title funding. I have had conversations with them about school board policies for funding. I know that they're very well versed on the policies and laws around state testing. Our district's one of the top 4 priorities in our district is school safety, and safety for our students. And so I know that the discipline policies and policies around school safety are not only known, but very much a priority for them, as well as attendance policies. And as I've been working with them at this level, I also know that they are very well versed in board policies as well as laws regarding personnel. When I think about my personal knowledge of federal laws, state laws, and board policies, I would say that I am realizing that my experiences have been very different, and I've had a lot of opportunities to explore different areas of education. Recently, I was invited to attend the title funding meetings for the schools that I was supporting in their school improvement work. And in efforts to align some of the title funding to their school improvement plan, I was invited to attend those meetings. And so I signed up for the school finance course at the same time that I would be attending some of these meetings in order to deepen my knowledge of school finance. So at that time, I became much more aware of school board policies for funding. And so I feel like I'm becoming more and more knowledgeable around funding, what the state guidelines say, and what our board policies are. I'm also have experience with the KISA rubrics and the requirements by the state with my work with school improvement. And as I mentioned before, as a member of the Kansas Professional Standards Board, where we actually adopt policies and procedures to support accreditation of those wanting to be in education in the state of Kansas. As a teacher, I think that I had a lot of experience working with IEPs and laws regarding our students with special education needs, as well as school safety, discipline policies, attendance policies, those things that our teachers work with and deal with on a day-to-day basis. I am really looking forward to this class and learning more about school law and reading the textbooks, reading the board policies that apply, as well as having experiences that I can attach to some of these policies as I'm out supporting the principals in their buildings doing school improvement plan work. Sometimes we rub up against school law. And so I'm very excited about the opportunities to take this class in my current role in the district. And then I'm also signed up to take special education for school leaders next fall. And so that is also how I plan to improve my knowledge of school law, the state and federal laws, as well as my school board policies. So I look forward to learning from my peers and from all that I can gain from this course. Thank you.